Hello everyone and welcome back to St. Mary's YouTube channel SMS TV. Today we are here with a wonderful story narration through a puppet show. Teachers at St. Mary's School creates and conducts lessons that aims at student-centric learning outcome which also ensures an experiential learning atmosphere to the students. For this, we include role plays, puppet shows, mind maps, story elements such as character setting, problem and solution, and many more to our lessons to make our lesson creative and interactive. To view our creative and interactive lesson and other activities, please log into our Facebook page of St. Mary's School. I would like to take this moment and thank all those parents who have accepted our request and paid online fees. This shows that how much you value your students' education and future, and also the concern and love you have towards our school. Somehow, we also have come across few parents, those who are finding it difficult to pay online fee. So I thought of briefing it here. So if you are looking to pay online fees, if your fees is pending and if you are in a situation to pay it, please go to www.checkmyfee.com. You must have received a message with this link from our school. Once you click the link, you will get into another page where you have to type the USC code. Now what is USC code? It's a student unique ID code where it's of 5-digit number. Suppose if you don't know what is your student's USC code, you can click forgot USC code. Here you can fill the sender name, that is St. Mary's School, standard in which your child is in, and the registered mobile number, and submit it. After submission, your child's USC code will be reflected on the screen. You can type that USC code in this space and then you can submit it. After submission, it will take you into another page where you can see your school's name, your child's name, standard, and there is something called pay for. If you click that, you can see all the outstanding amount of last year, that is 2019-20. You can select all, and you also can see that in the penalty or late payment fees we have added 0, so that to help you with this current situation. After doing that, you also have to check that all the details are correct and check that box which is given down and submit it. Then it will take you into this page of payment option where you can see and select the payment option. So many parents had a concern saying that their online banking is not active, that is why they are not able to pay it online. But there are many options here. One is you can pay using your HDFC credit or debit card. Also you can use your any other bank's credit or debit card. So once you select your banking option, then there appears another screen. Suppose if you are paying through your debit card, they'll ask you for the card number, CVV, account holder name, and also the date of expiry, the date which is given in the card, and also there is a number which you have to type and then submit it. Dear parents, St. Mary's School's representative will never ask for card details such as CVV, card number or expiry date. Please don't share these details with anyone. We expect that your cooperation will continue the way it is going now. So now let's listen to the story narration through puppet show by our pre-primary teacher Sujata.
Hello dear students, how are you? Dear students, today I am going to teach you a very famous story, The Thirsty Crow. The learning outcome of this story. Number 1. Students will listen the story and students will narrate the story. Number 2. Students will identify the new words from the story. Number 3. Students will identify the character, the setting, the problem and the solution from the story. Before starting the story, I would like to show you some flashcards. So here I made some flashcards for you. So this is a bird. What is this? A bird. So this is crow. What is this? Come on, repeat after me. What is this? Crow. Very good. Can you spell this? C R O W. C R O W. Crow. Come on, say after me. C R O W. Crow. Okay. So this is the character of the story. Okay. What is this? In the story, this is a main character. Okay. So you can see which bird is this? Crow. Which bird is this? Crow. Very good. So come on, tell again, once again, we'll spell the C R O W. Crow. Very good. What is this? Sun. Very good. What is this? Sun. The sunny sun. It was a hot summer day. When you feel hot, it means sun is there in the sky, right? What is this? Sun, right? S-U-N. Sun. Can you see this? S-U-N. Sun. Okay. Can you see this? S-U-N. Sun. Come on, repeat after me. S-U-N. Sun. Very good. What is this? This is pot. What is this? This is pot. Okay. So can you spell the word P-O-T? Pot. P-O-T. Pot. Very good. Repeat after me. P-O-T. Pot. What is this? Tree. Very good. What is this? Tree. So come on, repeat after me. T-R-E-E. Tree. T-R-E-E. Tree. Very good. So what is this? This is a tree, right? It's very big now. Tree is very big in size. So tree. T-R-E-E. Tree. Okay? Very good. Can you see this? This is crow. But what the crow is doing over here? What the crow is doing? The crow is sitting? No. Then what the crow is doing? Yes, the crow is flying. Very good. What the crow is doing? The crow is flying in the sky, right? How it flies? Come on, show your... very good. Fly high in the sky. Very good. So, what the crow is doing? The crow is flying in the sky, right? So, come on, tell the spelling of flying. F-L-Y-I-N-G. Flying. F-L-Y-I-N-G. Flying. The crow is flying up in the sky, right? What are these, students? These are stones. What are these? These are stones. Yes. You can find the stone around your surrounding, right? You can find stones around your surrounding. So can you spell the spelling of stone? S-T-O-N-E-S. Stones. S-T-O-N-E-S. Stones. Come on, repeat after me. S-T-O-N-E-S. Stones. Okay. Now let's see the story narration through the puppet. The Thirsty Crow. Once upon a time, it was a hot summer day. There was a crow. He was very thirsty. He flew here and there in search of water. He saw a pot with very little water in it. But he could not drink the water. He was very sad. Later he got an idea. He picked up some stones and then he put them one by one into the pot. Slowly, the water came up. The crow drank the water and flew away happily. The moral of this story is, think and work hard. You may find solution to any of your problem.
That was a wonderful story narration by our pre-primary teacher. Don't forget the story elements: character, setting, problem, solution, and the moral or the theme of the story. Thank you so much for watching this video. Please don't forget to share this video with your friends and relative and whom you feel this puppet show's story narration will be useful. If you haven't subscribed our SMS TV, please don't forget to subscribe it. Stay safe and stay home. Thank you so much.